In this video, I will be showing you how to make a travel thumbnail in Canva. Let's get started. I begin on the Canva homepage and click into the search bar to type in travel thumbnail. I press enter and scroll through the wide variety of templates until I find a layout I like. I select this minimalist vlog template and click customize this template to open it in the editor. Now I head over to the Elements tab on the left and search for Japan. I switch to the Photos category and find a high-quality image of Mount Fuji. I click the photo to add it to my canvas, then right-click it and select Set Image as Background. I click on the main text Travel Vlog and open the font menu. I choose the Horizon font to give it a bold, modern feel and drag the corners to increase the size. To make it stand out, I click on Effects and select Outline, adjusting the thickness and changing the colors to a bright pink and yellow. Then, I select the subtext New York and update it to Japan, change the font to Gogolin. I go back into Effects to add a pink outline and adjust the colors to match the rest of the design. I double-click the background image to enter the crop tool, sliding the photo over to perfectly frame the mountain and click Done. Finally, I adjust the placement of my text to ensure everything is centered and perfectly aligned. With those quick edits, my custom travel thumbnail is finished and ready to use.